crying little.
So guys, if you're just now joining us, this frame on this bike is a salvage frame. The bike has been re-registered, so it's good for the state, but we don't want to use this frame. We want to actually go with this new frame that has a clean title on it. So we have a lot of work to do to transfer all of these parts over to the new frame. So guys, let's not waste any time. Let's get to work. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop to it. Man, I've been trying to troubleshoot this thing. I've used a lot of you guys' comments and still no mas. So as you see that I took the cover off so you can see that everything is connected properly, but still, when I do this, it just still feels like it's in neutral. With investigation here, with everything off, clutch baskets and the gear off, this right here was the issue. This was not slid all the way back to lock in place. So basically it was forward, and the spring, let me get it, the spring right here was off. So now we're gonna go ahead and slide that back into place and then put this spring on and then get this thing put back together. I'm 100% sure this is the fix. Sweet. All right. So guys, it's working properly as you can see. Finally, it wasn't like this at first. Today is such a different day. We actually have sold the R1, so we're about to load this thing up on the trailer and let's get it down to Montgomery to the new owner. So guys, it's probably gonna be the last time you see this bike on the channel. So let's just take it in and let's get this thing loaded, put on the trailer, and let's go. All right guys, there you have it. The R1 is gone, so now we need to start on another project, but I know you're waiting to hear what was actually spent on this bike, so here you go. Hey, I'm gonna speed through this fast. We started out with $5,000, and that was from the red and white R1, which I'm gonna throw a card up here so you can go back and check that out. But we purchased a 2012 R1 Raven Edition for $2,000. It already had all the upgrades and everything onto it. We bought a new frame that was $1,800 and also had to add the tax to that, which was $143. Alabama has very high taxes, so I separated the taxes from the cost, which you'll see here. We bought a rear tail under subframe, which it needed, for $69. Gauge cluster housing, $25.22. A rear tail upper fairing was $74.99. A rear red seat was previously I needed to order for the guy that purchased the red and white R1, so that went towards him, but I deducted that from this, so that was $25.99. The cost for transport to pick the bike up was $160. Yamaha service cost, the pre-inspection before I built it, was $300. I had miscellaneous tools, so that was $18 and $70. Fairing bolts was $22.99. Ram intake duct was $25.66. Paint was $150. Another duct I needed was $46.38. Title transfer to put the frame in my name was $100. Second duct I needed was $46.38. That gave a grand total of negative $92.24. So that gave us a grand total of $5,092.24. We ended up selling the R1 for $7,000, which gave us a grand total of profit of $1,907.76. Not bad at all. So guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, we almost escaped with a $2,000 gain, which is very impressive for just buying a bike and changing the frame out and buying a few pieces to fix it. But man, that is amazing. Y'all guys need to get in the comment section. Let me know what we need to build next. I'm not sure at this point because, you know, the winter is falling in, so it's gonna be actually really hard to sell motorcycles right now. So we might go ahead and flip cars for now. I'm gonna also keep you guys up to date, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification so you don't miss any videos. Oh, and I'm working on a 64 Impala. I'm just about getting that thing put back together, so it's actually taking me some time. And I also got videos on cars too. So guys, just stay tuned to the channel, and like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.